Hello Namaste. Today I'm going to show you how to make stir-fry vegetable noodles. This is so simple and so tasty. I'm going to show you step-by-step process, especially the key point of making this noodles so perfect is cutting your vegetables perfectly. So let's get started. First I'm taking cabbage. I'm going to use only 1/4 of it. First cut into half. Then cut the core and make into half again. To julienne this, first grip the cabbage tightly and cut into thin slices. Since they have a lot of layers, you automatically get the juliennes. If you don't have a bigger knife, it is very simple. Make another half in this piece and cut the same way. I believe stir-fry noodles is all about how you cut your vegetables. So if you want your noodles perfectly, you don't really need to have a professional knife skills. This is very simple. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Well, next I'm taking 3 different colors of bell pepper. To get perfect juliennes out of a bell pepper, the restaurant style of cutting is totally different. Here I'm trying to cut something that anybody can handle. The same way I'm going to cut the rest of my bell peppers. If you don't have different colors of bell peppers, you can simply choose whatever is available with you. Here my 3 different colors of bell peppers are ready. You don't really have to add green beans in your stir-fry noodles, but I personally like green beans, so I'm adding it. If you want to add it, but make sure you cut it little thinner so it is easy to chew and easy to cook. Once you cut the corners, cut it diagonally like this. And make sure they are not thick. That's it. That's how I'm going to cut my rest of green beans. Next is green onion. This is very simple to handle. Cut the roots and plant it. You'll get the green onion again. Well, slice the white part of green onion. This part is going to use in the cooking and the rest of green will be using for garnishing. So until they are light green, just keep cutting and keep it separate, and cut the rest of green and keep it separate. That's all. I have my green beans, green onion, 2 different parts. Take a cleanly washed carrot and scratch the skin. Just in case if you have any soil, it will go with it. Once you scratch it, cut the corners and wipe it or wash it just to take the external skin away. Slice one side to make it sit steady, and slice the other 3 sides the same way. After that, keep slicing the carrot until the end. It should be very thin slice, then only you can get perfect juliennes. This is how it looks before you make juliennes. Now take the slices and cut very thinly, just like I'm showing it to you in the video. Then the juliennes are ready. The same way, cut the rest of the carrots. Here are my julienne cabbage and carrot, and bell peppers, and green beans and green onions. The main ingredient is Hakka noodles. These are available in any Asian markets. Now take a big pan of water, add salt and some olive oil and let it boil. After boiling, add the Hakka noodles and boil the noodles up to 90%. Make sure it is not overboiled or underboiled. To check it easily, take the noodles and cut it with a knife. It should cut so simply without sticking or without taking any efforts. Once you strain them, add some oil and mix it well so that it won't stick to each other. Now heat a yolk and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or sesame oil. I'm adding olive oil and minced garlic. Then add white part of green onions. Most importantly, make sure the stove is on high heat. Then add green beans and keep stirring it. At this point, you have to keep stirring it and keep adding the rest of vegetables. Then add carrots and cabbage and continuously keep stirring it to make sure that it won't burn or turn too soft. Keep stirring it to get that little crisp. Then finally add the bell peppers because they cook so quickly. I'm adding them at the end. The more vegetables, the more tastier it is. Now add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce. Now add a little bit of salt and pepper, and finally add the boiled noodles. To mix it properly without breaking the noodles, I'm using 2 ladles, the other end. Since I like my noodles little bit spicy, I added little bit extra chili sauce. If you don't want it, you can definitely reduce up to your level. Finally add the green onion and serve it. If you try it, please let me know in the comments and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.